PVpallet is building a reusable packaging ecosystem for the solar industry. Why? Because green isn't always so clean. In fact, solar companies spend billions of dollars on buying and then disposing of single-use packaging, which generates over 2.6 billion pounds of wood waste every year. You heard that right. Solar panels are shipped on wood pallets that are used once and then tossed into landfills. Not exactly sustainable. And that's just part of the problem. We estimate that about 3% of solar panels are damaged in transit. That's about $4 billion in wasted product every year.
PVpallet is changing this. We are on a mission to save the planet while also saving companies time and money. 2 years ago, the crowdfunding community supported us with nearly $1 million in investments. Those funds were critical to building the foundation of our company and bringing our patented solar panel pallet Series X to market. Since our last raise, we've helped over 130 companies integrate reusable packaging into their operations and generated more than $3 million in revenue. We are proving that the industry is ready for reusable packaging.
We've been using PVpallet for over 2 years now, and in that time, it's helped us reduce our breakage rate by over 92%. To me, that was a no-brainer. We will continue to use PVpallet for years to come.
We're not stopping with just solar panel packaging waste. That was just phase 1. In phase 2, we expanded our product line so we can tackle the entire solar industry. Our reusable bulk bins are a great fit for solar electrical components and hardware. We're also working directly with industry-leading manufacturers to create custom packaging that fits their products perfectly. Finally, in phase 3, we're developing ways to make reusable packaging easier to adopt and creating recurring revenue streams in the process. PV Loop, our turnkey reverse logistics program, includes shipping, product cleaning, refurbishment, and tracking. And our new flexible packaging rental program makes PVpallet an option for one-time projects and short-term use.
The solar industry shows no signs of slowing. Domestic solar manufacturing is expected to more than double in the next 5 years, with more than 50 new manufacturing plants currently under construction. In 2023, 32.4 gigawatts of new capacity were installed in the United States, a 51% increase over 2022. That's enough to power almost 5 million homes a year. With this kind of projected growth, it's clear that now is the time for a solar packaging revolution.
Look, we're not just selling plastic boxes. We're building a complete reusable packaging ecosystem to help the solar industry clean up its act. Manufacturers, distributors, construction companies, and installers have successfully integrated PVpallet products into their operations, and we've only just scratched the surface. With your help, we hope to scale faster, grow our team, and prevent single-use packaging from ending up in landfills. Invest in PVpallet today.